Hi there, today I've got a quick and simple guide for how to use a promo code on AliExpress. If you want to save some bucks on your next shopping spree, then stick around. It's easy, it's quick, and I'll walk you through it step by step. So if you're ready to grab some discounts, let's dive right in. If you haven't acquired a promo code yet, establish a routine of regularly visiting the AliExpress website. Monitor the homepage attentively as AliExpress frequently features highlighted ongoing promotions and coupon codes directly on the main page. To enhance your chances of discovering discounts, delve into specific product categories as certain promotions may be exclusive to our particular product groups. By consistently checking both the homepage and targeted categories, you increase your likelihood of stumbling upon valuable deals and coupon opportunities. After obtaining your AliExpress promo code, add items to your cart, proceed to checkout, and simply enter the code in the designated Apply Coupon section. This is typically located near the order summary or payment details. Carefully enter the promo code or coupon code in the designated field. Ensure that there are no typos or errors. Some codes are case sensitive, so match the characters exactly as provided. After entering the code, click on the Apply or Submit button. The system will validate the code, and if successful, you should see the discount reflected in your order total. Please be aware that the discount may not apply if your purchase doesn't meet the minimum spending requirements, the promo code is exclusive to specific products or users, or if the code is no longer available due to limited stock. And that's it. If you come across an error message, consider these potential reasons displayed on your screen. Additionally, you can visit the AliExpress Help Center for further assistance and clarification.